Okay everyone, welcome to our 5th video on algebra. Here we'll be putting letters, so putting terms in the correct order. So making sure the terms that are like each other stay together and making sure the ones that are not like each other stay separate so you can answer your mathematical questions. Alright, so first one we have x squared plus x squared. Okay, so this does not make, you do not add the squareds together, the 2's together to make x to the power of 4. Because you have 2x squares, you do not have x times x times x times x. So this would come together to make 2x squared. Okay? It would not make x to the power of 4. Okay? It would not do that. Alright, here we have the next one. A plus 2a plus 5 minus 3 plus 5a. Okay, that's a lot of terms here. So, remember from our first video that a's and these numbers, they're different. Okay, they do not like each other. They are not friends. So you cannot put them together. So you have to add the a's together separately and then add the numbers together separately. So here we have a. Remember, this is 1a. Alright, that can be a little confusing too. So we've got 1a plus 2a plus 5a. So that all adds together to make 8a. And then we have 5 minus 3. That becomes 2. So we get 8a plus 2. Okay, this one, we have two different types of terms. Now, so these h's and these c's, they're different from each other. Okay? So they can't go together. We don't add them together and get C5H plus 3C. That doesn't make 8HC, or that doesn't make doesn't do that. Okay, they have to be separate. So we have, let's get the H's together. So we got 5H plus H. Remember this H is a 1H here. Okay, because in algebra we just write the letter for 1. So that's 1H. So together that makes 6H. And then 3c minus 2c, well that makes 1c, so we can write plus c. Okay, so there we go. Alright, let's go through this one. 7f minus 4b minus 2f plus 3b. Alright, so let's see how this works out. So, we have, let's get the f's together. So we have 7f minus 2f, so that would make 5f, and then we have minus 4b plus 3b, so that would add together to make minus 1b, or minus b. That's minus b there. Okay, and then let's go for our last question here. So here we have three different types of terms. We have an x squared term, we have an x squared term, we have the d terms, and we have a number here. So they all have to be separate. So let's go first. Let's put the x squareds together. So we have 7x squared minus 3x squared. That would make 4x squared. And we have plus 4d plus d, which is 1d. So that is plus 5d. And we have just a minus 5 on its own. So we've got minus 5 here. And that's it. We've done all the questions. Alright guys, thanks very much for listening. I hope that helped, and see you again soon.